On the order of President Park Geun-hye, the government has pulled back on a set of tax code proposals, with Finance Minister Hyun Oh-seok saying the administration will work to avoid increasing the burden on the middle class.
박근혜 대통령이 최근 논란이 되고 있는 세제 개편안을 원점에서 재검토할 것을 지시한 가운데 현오석 기획재정부 장관은 중산층의 세부담이 늘지 않도록 하겠다고 밝혔습니다.
The government has made air conditioning a no-no in public facilities until August 14th in a bid to stave off a power crisis.
정부는 전력수급 최악의 상황을 극복하기 위해 14일까지 전국 공공기관의 냉방기 및 공조기 가동을 금지했습니다.
The Seoul government is conducting a survey until August 18th on starting late-night taxi fees an hour earlier so they go from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m.
서울시는 택시 심야 할증 기간을 11시부터 3시로 1시간 앞당기는 방안에 대해 18일까지 설문조사를 실시합니다.
New data shows that 1 in 4 families in the Seoul metropolitan area make their home in a rental, the highest number since 2006.
수도권 지역에 거주하는 4가구 가운데 1가구가 월세인 것으로 나타나 2006년 집계 이래 사상 최고치를 기록했습니다.
In a bid to solidify the grip on power held by Kim Jong-un and his family, North Korea has touched up its leadership ideology for the first time in 39 years.
북한이 지난 6월 노동당 10대 원칙을 39년 만에 개정하고 김 씨 일가의 정권 세습을 명문화한 것으로 확인됐습니다.
A small group of Seoul National University's undergraduate students began to take part in a free mentoring program this past spring to advise and encourage high school students living in the countryside. The group, aptly called Dream Consultant, offers counseling sessions on education, aspirations, and life in general based on lessons they have learned from trials and ordeals they had overcome. The mentoring program also scrupulously explores the deeper aspects of life such as honesty, love, and work ethics. Crafty burglars in San Bernardino, California somehow managed to sneak inside the roof of a rape crisis center and steal 6 computers and a new laptop, causing $5,000 in damage. But in an unusual turn of fate, the burglars were apparently struck by conscience and decided to return all the stolen items just a few hours later, along with an apology note tucked away in the laptop. The apology note read, "We had no idea what we were taking. Here is your stuff back. We hope that you guys can continue to make a difference in people's lives. God bless."